So the uptrend line is trying to hold. Pullbacks, we said you might want to try buying some pullbacks. They were very aggressive, super aggressive, and drop losers if they don't work. And the bias today should be to try to skin the shorts a little bit more and get into this box and even to the top of the box, the blue circle. The goal of the shorts is to try and get backwards to break this trend line, the neckline here, and first come back into this 42 zone, then the gap, right? Just below yesterday's 41 highs, come here and come all the way back down here if they can. That would be what the shorts would love to do. So that's why this is our fighting box. And the longs are trying to do just the opposite and say, hey, I can get up here. When a squeeze. Those two dynamics are in play. And the first sign of trouble for the shorts is taking out this high on the 5th. This was what we talked about yesterday, the last couple of days. Zeke said, I don't want to see it above that high. Right? And I said, I don't want to see it above this high. Right? Otherwise, in jeopardy. So great trade coming back, tested support, strong bounce, close in here. And then overnight, they just said, let's get it up here in the early morning, NFP. Let's get it up here. So this is their target. They could even go higher if they wanted to. But they have to squeeze and keep squeezing or else lose their edge. So I'm thinking this is their first target. Come back up here for a retest, right? That's a retest line right there for a double break. And then obviously come up higher. So far, no, not enough energy yet, but the day is young. Still got the afternoon. And this is the art of war. You want to join the winning team. We are on the sidelines saying, who is going to win? I want to root for them. Is it going to be the longs or the shorts? And I have no allegiance 2 days in a row, 3 days in a row, whatever, even intraday. I want to join the winning team. I want to be pounding my chest saying, yeah, I'm just like you guys. Now, a few days ago, that was the short side. And since that 20 low where we said 1875 support, we're buying for the bounce, we have been bouncing. This is day 3 of that bounce. Getting back into the pockets of the shorts. And that is how you push dogs that don't belong in your neighborhood out of your neighborhood. You say, get out of here. Goodbye. You don't belong in our territory. Get out of here. That's what's been going on. Part of it is due to rollover, certainly. And part of it is just understanding the, the rules of engagement. Go back and look at the notes from the beginning of the day. And the reasons, the whys are there. Not just the factual information about this low and this high and whatever, but the psychology of the move. And we never know whether they have enough energy to accomplish it, but we know what their objective is. That's the game plan. And when you can do that, then you can make a decision, first of all, do I want to play? And secondly, What time do I want to play? How much do I want to commit? In which direction do I want to place my chips? And say, okay, I'm joining that team. We said, keep your eye today on the blue line, because this blue line is going to help us to assess whether or not the longs are still accomplishing their objective or not. Shorts want to come down here, close the gap. Longs want to get up here. So yay, look how strong we are. And usually the truth is somewhere in between. Got to wage those battles in between and then see what happens. So nothing has changed my mind yet that we should be buying pullbacks with no expectation other than see if we can get a buy high and sell higher trade. If you want to play. And the double top idea also has merit. Anybody that likes short side, we've suggested, yeah, you could short, but make sure you're thinking tiny, thinking small. Hope that gives you a little insight into the psychology of trading.